Hello everyone, how are you doing, my dear students? Yes, of course, I know everyone is super duper excited because you have a new series coming up referred as Junior Doctors. Many of you would have been facing a lot of problem in preparation of the NEET exam from your class 9th and 10th standard, because I know no courses, no series have been, are there in the YouTube for the students of class 9th and 10th whoever want to prepare for NEET exam. But students, don't worry, I am coming up with a new series referred as Junior Doctors, in which we'll be covering the biology syllabus of the NEET, and also a lot of fun sessions I'll be having. For example, motivational sessions we will be having. Also sessions like I will be giving the set of the symptoms. You will be able to determine what is the disease, and definitely some of the surgery videos also we'll be seeing in the series Junior Doctors. So I hope you are super duper excited, and this particular series is going to start from 1st of January, right? So stay tuned.